Here, in this pandemic COVID-19, we are analyzing Indian economy. One term, market, which is a connecting point of buyer and seller. And these days, Diwali is going on all around. So it's all time to pursue ahead what all development took place, how the price is determined, what is the behavior of buyer, what is the behavior of seller, and its pre and post COVID analysis.
I warmly welcome you all in new phase learning of this digital platform. Market around us. Today we will discuss this. Pandemic COVID-19 spread. Chinese novel coronavirus. Completely broken and shattered everyone by announcement of your lockdown. So the first transformation which we witnessed is market. We are living in industry 4.0 where a cutthroat scenario is there. The transformation took place to maximum level, and this is witnessed by the market as well. The fluctuations, the announcements, the complete phase of lockdown, just one transformation occurred, and that's closed market. Bazaar, lockdown, no shop will be opened, only essential supply will be there. This is what we marked, and the witnessed picture is enough to say so. Vacant roads, shutters are down, the market is closed, and under the mask we are utilizing, and the market of essential is open, the complete policeman control is there, and there is social distancing, where a place of market known as for number of customers and producers, they are running to each other for services. Now the witnessing left right combination in opening, the number of customers are reduced, people are just buying their essentials, and the market is under the complete transformation. But earlier this was not there. Earlier, the market was a place where buyer and seller get involved in purchase and sale of their goods. It's a link between producer and the consumer. They marked differently with the sale and purchase, and that depends on the customer. Customer is the monarch, king of the market, and the seller is investing for earning profit, and customer is going to market to get his satisfaction, and this have delivered the market a new introduction. But the pandemic marked it a transformation. That transformation is said online digital medium of purchase, online shopping, home delivery of products. Now the market is reaching to us as we are living in industry 4.0. Market is of various type. It varies in the day basis, it varies in the money basis, it varies in the investment basis, and it involves with the number of services, and it has a connectivity of chain as well. In this we will discuss it one by one. Weekly market. The first market, a market which is called so a weekly market because it take place at specific day of a week. The day varies according to the region and area. The shops are temporary. They deliver you with a brilliant and vast potential of products. And the Indian country is witnessing thousands of market. And everyday requirement is served in my weekly market. These are temporary market because they get them set up within a day and for a day. They market with a day beginning and then close them with the evening. But the delivery of products are at cheaper rates. They deliver you with vast potential of the products, and the large number of shops are selling the same product, and which boosted the competition among them. The one merit which weekly market offers to us is availability of one thing, one place under the convenient buying of rates, and we can cater our needs from here. It delivers us with ample of products, and this is the picture which says so. It is a brilliant place where farmer get their produce to ultimate customer. This delivers us with the fresh supply of fruits and vegetables. This provides us with the regional and cultural traditional heritage of products. It caters us with all the glimpses of the variety of products this country can offer to anyone. This is the picture which is the actuality that we have the complete connectivity between producer and consumer. Now we are marking with pandemic COVID-19 spread, so the most important point was the shop in the neighborhood. The shop you find adjoining to your house, nearby in your living area, that offers you the product and services. They meet out your needs at urgent point. You can visit them for any time. They are available near to your home and they deliver you with all the ample of products and service they can have for you. They provide you the service in your neighborhood. These shops are very useful at the time of meeting urgent needs. The next extension will be your shopping complexes. This is the one place where you find complete disparity vision between urban area and rural or semi-urban area. The shop marked you with markets with number of shops at one place, that is shopping complexes. It mark you with brilliant multi-story air-conditioned building, well infrastructure, and these are with number of floors as malls. Branded, non-branded goods, national, international products, and one thing which you marked over here will be the development. The vast number of services will be there. They will mark you with investment of huge money in their shop. They have the display outlooks. This is the one place where you find very few number of consumer or customers as compared to any other form of market, because they are bit expensive. They shows or they demonstrates the lifestyle pattern. They fluctuate as per the trend. They are brilliantly and magnificently infrastructured one. This mark you with the connectivity of the world supply of products. There is various multinational companies come and invest over here. Now the next one you will discuss will be the extension of all these markets, where you will find your one term said to be chains of market, a point which links your producer and consumer, a point where you have ultimate beginning preliminary establishment to your ultimate destination of product. This mark you with new phase beginning, and this says that producer, wholesaler, retailer and customer is a chain which should not be broken. The product get produced from producer, then buy it by the wholesaler, then he sell it to retailer, and then retailer sell it to the customer through weekly market, hawking shop, or you can say neighborhood shop or any shopping complex. But if one will be taken away, then this will create very great threat to the market. The suffering will be very high because they are connected to each other. The producer will produce, then only the customer satisfaction can be there. But if customer will not be there, the producer will produce for whom? So the first they supply product and they get finance. If they get finance, then they produce for the next time. But they acquire one thing, that is information for the better delivery of product next time. So there is connectivity for product, information and finance. And if one get broken, then ultimate will be the suffering. Check it out, what will be the suffering if producer do not have consumer.
A hive of activity during a nationwide lockdown, farmers bring their wheat to a government procurement centre in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It's a small victory for Brajesh Sharma, who struggled to harvest his crop this season without the help of seasonal workers. The father of 3 says his family helped him cut the crop and register to sell it to the government.
Everyone faced a lot of problems with registration. Everything is shut. So how and where are we supposed to do it? We had no idea. The children have some education, so they were able to do it on their mobile phones.
The government is sending electronic coupons to farmers with a date and time to bring their produce to the centres. But in rural areas, many don't have smartphones and internet connections to receive them. India's lockdown couldn't have come at a worse time for farmers. They're at their busiest between April and June, when winter crops like wheat are harvested and the fields are prepared for summer crops to be sown. Without the technology needed to register his crop or public transport to take it to a government centre or private market, Bhupender Bhatti is worried about how he and his family will survive.
We can't sow the next crop as we need money from this harvest to buy seeds and fertilizers.
Many farmers have seen their fruit and vegetables go to waste. Despite farming being exempt from the lockdown, the restrictions on people's movement and transport has led to supply chains breaking down. India has large reserves of grains, but economists say extra stocks of rice and wheat aren't enough.
It's also about pulses and fruits and vegetables, and Indian diets are already very poor. The malnutrition rates are very high. So we need to ensure that variety of food reaches people's plates. So both from a point of view of food security as well as keeping the economy going, it's very important that we support agriculture and don't let it collapse completely.
The government says agriculture is functioning smoothly and there are no shortages of food, but many reject that. And with more than half of India's workforce employed in agriculture, experts say it must do more to help farmers and secure the harvest for the next season. Elizabeth Puranam, Al Jazeera, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh.
As you have studied, due to the pandemic spread, the consumer and producer chain was broken for the farmer and they suffered. There is allied services which are delivered: warehousing, storage facility, transportation, delivery facility, and which have been suffering in the pandemic COVID-19 spread. The shutters are down, shut down, lockdown have broken everything, the connectivity of producer and consumer. The digital platform is medium of learning and supply of market also. So hereby today we saw what market around us was earlier and due to pandemic what is today. So thank you for visiting. See you again soon.